Hi, good afternoon. It's me again. Yeah, this is the outcome of the pouring we have done yesterday. So, by the way, the time now is 1:55 p.m. 17th of May 2020, and today is Sunday. Yeah. So yeah, I put like a broom finish in the middle. The purpose of that is for skid resistance. So I should not be slip when I walk on the middle. So that's why I put like a broom finish. Yeah, and my next project is doing the steps on this trellis. So we have three steps here. So 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the landing. So basically 3 steps and 1 landing. So the width is 510, and the length is from here to this side. So that's about 600. We'll measure it. So that's about 665 mil by the length is 510 there. So I have to divide this 510 in 3 steps. So that's about 170. The thread is 170 there. The thread is 170, and then I have to calculate the height from this ground to the top to make it 3 steps, and this one is last, which is the landing. Okay, so I have to prepare it today while the weather is nice. Alright, see you soon. So when I put the shutter on those step I'm doing today. Okay, bye for now, and hope everyone's okay, and God bless you, and please be safe. Bye for now.